Hello and welcome for the love of food. It's March and you know what that means? St. Patty's Day. We're going to be making a shepherd's pie. Ground beef, traditional corn. We're going to be adding peas and corn, onion, and carrots, some garlic, some tomato paste, and then some fresh rosemary and dried thyme, of Worcestershire, and some egg yolk into our mashed potatoes, along with some buttermilk and heavy cream, which will make them nice and rich. And then we're going to be adding in some cheese into those mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching For the Love of Food.